Welcome to the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. This is Nature Crafts with the Loxahatchee staff, and my name is Ranger Serena, and today we're going to be making fall napkin rings. So this is great for family dinners during the fall, especially like Thanksgiving. So I made a couple right here is to show. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need TP rolls. You're going to need fabric, ribbon, felt, anything you want to cover the toilet paper roll. You're going to need glue. You're going to need scissors. You're probably going to need a ruler and a pencil. And then there is suggestions of having paper clips available to help with the gluing, to let it glue because it's a circle. And then any embellishments, if you've got some old buttons or some beads or some leaf cutouts. I happen to have some leaf cutouts that were little that I made into stickers, so you can certainly use those. Anything that you have around the house that you want to decorate. If you've got some acorns or some little seeds, you could use pumpkin seeds and put on the napkin ring. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the toilet paper roll into about 1.5 inches. You're going to cut this into about 1.5 inches, and I've already done that right here. And so then you're going to take your fabric and you're going to wrap it around and you're going to glue it inside both sides. Wrap it all the way around the TP, and you're going to glue it inside. Now that's what the paper clips are for, because once you actually take the glue on, put the glue on, then you can actually hold the paper clips in place so that the glue dries. Like this. Okay, so then you're going to cover the whole thing. And actually I'm not doing it very well here, but it's going to roll like this and cover like this. So that's what you're going to do. And then is when you get to decorate. So, like I say, you can use a button, old buttons. You can use beads. I happen to have some little stickers that were leaves. So I'm just going to put those on top here and put them right. Let them show my true colors. And this is it's your time to be creative, right? And there you go. So you can make a whole set of these. You can make 6 if you know that you're going to go over to a relative's house, your aunt's house or grandma and grandpa's house or something. And you can make a whole set as to how many people are going to be there. You can make each one individual for that particular person. You know something that person likes. You can draw it on there, draw it on the fabric before you do it. And this would really be a festive way to decorate your Thanksgiving table if you celebrate Thanksgiving. So happy autumn, happy fall. I love the fall time. I love the smells and I love the crunchy leaves and everything about it. So thank you so much for joining us at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.